Hey there, hi there, ho there. Finally, a trip to the river. We are having a respite from this wintry cold. In fact, maybe that was the end of it, but it certainly, nature gave us a spanking. It has been many, many times minus 40 over the last 3 weeks, and I have not been to the river since New Year's Day. And hey, hey. You know how much that river means to me. It is a part of my soul. Feeding the birds is the way that I connect with my father and my past. My river walks are so important, and I have not been. But today, right now, -2, feels like -6. And if this were a month ago, I'd say, I may go, I may not. But feels like -6. After a feels like that hit as low as -50, I'm fine. I'm fine. In fact, I expect within a day or so, my skating rink across the street, at the park across the street, will be busy. It is beautiful out here. Maybe don't even need the gloves, but as usual, like look at the walkways here. Oh, the sun is so bright. Look at the walkways. Because of the really a fair amount of snow and a lot of really cold, there is ice on the sidewalks everywhere you go. I do have, I hope you can see them. I do have cleats on my shoes, and that keeps me safe so I can get down to the river and I can do my walk. So I say we trade my house for my river. And that's what I call a background change for the better. I'm in a different spot today, folks, because look at the sun. Because the walkway going that way across the King George Bridge is under construction. So I have to follow the old man of the mountain, the chief of the Lake Babine tribe, as he said to me, don't always follow the same path. So today, a new path, the same story, is here we are at the river already. The breath, the feeling, the energy has come back to the hippie. This is beautiful out here. It is gorgeous. Train going by on that side, birds going by on that side. It's a good freaking day. Let's see what this day brings. I have a feeling the next time you talk to me, I'll either be riverside or I will be in the brambles in there across this piece of the river by that beautiful walkway. Or feeding the birds. Yeah. I got lost on where I'm going because I'm busy looking at where I'm going. This is beautiful. Folks, I'll be right back. And now, once again, the background changes to the bigger part of the river, but it only looks like a snowy field. The Bow River is frozen completely over all along this tributary. It's really, really cool. 3 weeks of -40 will do that for a river that isn't very deep. So here we are. I had to go a different way, so I'm not near the birds yet, but I'm kind of finished the chitter chatter. I think I've done enough. So you know what? If there are birds, it'll say here, there are birds, stay tuned. But the birds, I don't need to talk to you while I'm feeding them. So it's going to be part of a montage that I'm going to put up right about now. the final of that beautiful montage was those beautiful birds. And there, I'm having a hard time with words because I'm so in the moment. I had a few birds, not many, but they came to me and they just kept eating and hiding it in a tree and coming back for more. So I filmed some of it, and some of it was just me and the birds. What a beautiful, beautiful spot, eh? Gorgeous tree laden down with the snow on it, the sun shining, the river completely frozen over, the fresh air that is absolutely overwhelming. But friends, normally I come from that way and go that way. I have to go the other way around, but then I come all the way here, and of course it's blocked. Duh. So I'm on my way back from whence I came, and then I'll go back home. That's so lame. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this, because I sure did. I've had the best time since January 1st, the last time I came down here. I am so happy. I got to do this so much more. In fact, you know what? You know what's happening? The birds are following me. Watch. Isn't that beautiful? I love my river. I love my birds. I love y'all. Peace and cheers. Love and harmony.